In that meeting, the caucus of the NRM agreed as follows. One, that the UPDF amendment bill currently before the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda be withdrawn in its current form. Two, that the Attorney General be given time to draft the new proposals into the UPDF amendment bill pursuant to the Supreme Court ruling, and an extraordinary caucus meeting be convened to discuss the proposals of the bill. The areas of attention is derived majorly from the decision of the Supreme Court, the question of appointing lawyers in the UPDF to preside over that court, the issue of clarifying on what constitutes a service offense and a penal offense. But since the Supreme Court also came up with this ruling, more or less at the same time, instead of us proceeding to only handle the amendment before the Supreme Court ruling, we are now saying this is the same law. Either than proceeding to amend, why don't we just do a withdrawal, have a comprehensive consideration in terms of drafting it to cover the areas where a court has made a decision. In the knowledge of the Attorney General, this matter is urgent, and we expect it to be handled as soon as possible.